Chicken breast, steak, tuna, egg whites, and whey are all ways to get some protein in your diet. Now, depending on where you live, some of these might be less friendly on the wallet than others. Today, we're gonna dive into some less common sources of protein that may or may not hurt the wallet depending on where you live. So let's just jump right into them. Before we jump into these, I'm gonna say this: eating a bit of soy isn't gonna make you a soy boy. Eating canned fish isn't gonna give you mercury poisoning. And eating eggs, can you guess, isn't gonna give you bad cholesterol levels. Don't be scared of trying new things, they fit your lifestyle. Now, number 1, amaranth. This is a grain that's a complete protein. It's similar to quinoa, but has slightly more protein per serving in it. It's gluten-free, easy to prep with water or broth by itself. Goes great in both sweet or savory recipes like pancakes, cookies, lasagna, stuffed peppers, stews, and way more. Number 2, tempeh. This stuff is certified vegan, mostly made from soybeans. It's been around forever, and it can be prepared a multitude of ways. Just 3 ounces has 16 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber. Number 3, pork. Now, a lot of people don't eat or care for pork, but for those that have dismissed it for no real reason, it's just as cheap, not cheaper than chicken where I live. There's a ton of delicious ways to prep it, and in pork tenderloin, for example, you get around 23 grams of protein for every 4 ounces. Number 4, Greek yogurt. This stuff comes in a ton of variations that should be able to satisfy almost any sweet tooth. Seriously, I've seen a Boston cream pie one before. A regular size container should get around 13 grams of protein. Another thing I'm seeing way more of is that they're using Greek yogurt and other products like cream cheese dips and dressings, which are not just great for eating, but for baking too. Number 5, edamame. One of my favorites to make at home and also get when I go out. Only takes 5 to 10 minutes to prep, and it's fun to eat. 1 cup worth has 14 grams of protein in it. Number 6, pumpkin seeds. No, it's not Halloween. No, you don't need a pumpkin to find these, but you can make them if you have a spare pumpkin lying around. For those that don't, they typically come in bags, either shelled or unshelled. A serving of these has 12 grams of protein and make for a great snack or even topping. Yes, they're also packed with healthy fats. Keyword, healthy. Number 7, other canned items. You're buying your tuna, don't forget about the other stuff down that aisle. Canned salmon, crab meat, clams, oysters, anchovies, sardines, and much more are all super affordable. And no, you don't have to eat these right out of the can. There's a ton of recipes you can use them with, so don't be afraid to try new things. This canned salmon packs 20 grams of protein for $2. This canned chicken packs 45 grams protein for $2.50. Not too bad, right? And last, number 8, Veggie Burgers. What once tasted bland and boring can now be found with a bigger selection than Greek yogurt flavors. The amount of people subscribing to the vegetarian lifestyle continues to multiply, and that means there's a way bigger market for brands to come in with new vegetarian options. These options only keep getting better. All of the macros in these that I've seen kind of vary, so I won't shout out a specific one, but generally speaking, they're around 10 to 20 grams of protein with anywhere from 110 calories to 250 calories. I still eat meat, but every so often I'll go for a veggie burger and have no regrets. So now that we've tackled all of those, let me know below how much some of these things are in your area. Always curious to see that kind of thing. Let me also know some of your other favorite sources, like say vegetarian sausage that we didn't list here, and maybe I can do another video like this down the road. With that said, thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. Smack that thumbs up button to help this channel grow with more engagement. Drop me a comment or question below. And of course, get more protein, like say vegetarian sausage. Daddy, would you like some? Make for a great snack. Some of these might be less friendly on the wallet.